Today I am going to teach you about how to sync your clips with the song. Without syncing the clips, your edits genuinely look chopped. So let's get right into it. So there are two ways of doing it depending on which song you are using. First is for if the beats of your song are equal, meaning that they come after each other at the same interval of time as the previous one. I am going to properly explain this later. The second method is for if the beats of your song come at different intervals than each other. This makes it a tiny bit harder to do, but it's still easy. Now go ahead and see which one is yours. I am going to leave timestamps so you can skip to whichever one suits you. If you cannot determine if the beats are equal or not, then just listen to the song once and see. If some of the beats are slower and some are faster, then it's the second one. Otherwise, if they are equal, it's the first one. For the first method, after adding the song to the timeline, you are going to have to press this button on the interface. For mobile users, there should be a similar button to press. After pressing the button, choose Beats 2. This is going to add these to the clips. Now you can just cut your clips and put them according to the beats. To make it easy to put the clips, you should enable this option. Split it at the end of each and then go to where your next clip is starting and cut it from the left. Do this over and over till you finish the edit. Here is a simple example. Now for the second method. This one is a bit harder but still doable. As an example, I am going to use this popular song which has unequal beats. It is copyrighted though, so sorry, but I am going to have to crop it. Now after adding the song, you are first going to have to hear the song first and try to hear the beats. As soon as you hear a beat, press this button while selecting the audio track to add a beat. A common mistake people do is being bums with slow reaction times. Because of this, you pause the video after the beat has passed and the beat is applied later and it's not synced. To fix this, go back a few frames and then put the beat. After adding all the beats, add your clips. Now adjust your clips properly to the start of the beat and crop it at the next one. Then go to where your next clip is starting and press this button to split it from the left. Here is an edit I made with this as an example.
Interesting theme, but I'm afraid late. When you're talking, already been.
That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like and subscribe, as this is my first long-form video. See you in the next one.